We specialize in residential structural designs. We design anything from a screen porch to a large 20,000 square foot custom home. What we do is we provide all the structural information, everything from the foundation to the beam sizes and joists all the way up to the roof. All this information is needed for that contractor to build it and for the county inspector to approve it.
When it comes to quality and time, IDE is fantastic. They work around our schedules. If we need something quickly, they usually jump right on it for us.
Anytime we text them, email them, call them, we get a response back really quickly.
They're always very upfront about expectations on time frames, and they always meet them, which is great. It's really helpful. They're reliable and they're consistent with it.
We do have that trust in IDE to guide us through that and make sure that we've got plans that are stamped by an engineer.
The detailing on these engineer drawings is pretty incredible. To see very intricate details of how framing will come together on some very complex homes has been tremendous.
If your company is all about quality and integrity in making sure that things are done right, Intelligent Design Engineering is the firm that you need to contact.
If you're looking for an experienced professional engineer that will take the time needed to design the most cost-effective solution without affecting performance, then give us a call.